Shalom, this is Doug with Douglas V Amateur Radio and more. For Winter Field Day 2025, went up to the Table Mesa Recreation Area and then did 10 contacts. I realized that I needed to make sure I prepped stuff the week before because I missed a couple extensions for my mast and learned a few other things. And I'm glad I kept put some Wagos in the pack just so that I could make a quick fix on my 20 meter antenna because 40 meters wasn't working very well for me. But learned a lot. Need to make sure I don't back up into any little cacti. Thought I got them all out, but I ended up finding one in the skin of the back of my leg. That came out, actually two of them, but one was pretty small. About living in the desert, you have cactus. Normally I don't back into those because I spent more time than a lot of people that live in the city do out in the desert. But quick video with pictures and maybe set music, maybe not, depending on how good I get at it. Here they are.